Seva Spurti, inspiring stories for volunteers.
Very often we say that volunteers should have a lot of patience. Then the question arises that should we have patience or should we have a sense of urgency that we should be impatient to see the work done? These two appear apparently contradictory, patience and sense of urgency, but I would say both can coexist. We need to have patience when it comes to the fruits of our action and a sense of urgency when it comes to performing our action. This is where I remember two dohas, very beautiful poems from Kabir. These are all two-liners, that's why they are called dohas. The first one says, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होयगी, बहुरी करेगा कब, कबीरा बहुरी करेगा कब. Here he talks about having the sense of urgency. The good work that you plan to do tomorrow, do it today itself. And what you plan to do today, do it now itself. So that should be the attitude when it comes to doing the work and putting in our efforts. But when it comes to the results of action, the fruits of action, he says it takes its own sweet time and you need to be patient. The second Kabir Doha goes like this. धीरे धीरे रे मना, धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींचे सो घड़ा, ऋत आये फल होए कबीरा, ऋत आये फल होए. So here Kabirji says, just because the gardener is in a hurry, and he wants to see quick fruits, quick turnaround time to get the fruits, he starts pouring 100 pots of water to the plant every day. But this cannot speed up the growth process of a plant. Only when the right season comes, the buds will turn to flowers and the trees will bear the fruits. So the important point to note here is we need to have the patience to wait to see the fruits. At the same time, we should not forget that we need to water the plant every day adequately. We have our volunteers who have been running a non-formal school for children of migrant laborers for the last 11 years. Very consistently, every single day the class goes on. And you imagine the first batch when we started 11 years ago, for us to see even a signal of a flower, it took 5 years, where the first boy from the batch could finish 10th standard. And it took 9 years to see him, pass his diploma exam. And now, last year we had 4 students who completed 10th standard. So that's the kind of patience we need to have. But many times what happens is, when we say you need to have patience, people tend to become lethargic and laziness will set in. That's the caution we need to exercise. While we need to have the patience, we also need to work with a sense of urgency that this work has to be done today and now itself. And also when I say patience, this waiting is not with any kind of frustration or impatience. It's rather waiting with enthusiasm. It's like a mother delivering the baby. When somebody plants a seed, it takes few years to grow. Here the gardener who planted the sapling does not lose his or her patience. Rather, he enjoys every milestone till the seed comes out of the earth. When it sprouts, when the first leaf comes out, and the first branch comes out, and when the first flower comes out. So, every milestone is an occasion for celebration. The way the gardener enjoys every milestone, when we are working to transform the society, bring about change in the society, we should not wait for the ultimate change or the final outcomes. Every milestone we need to recognize and celebrate. And it's very important that only when we learn to rejoice the small successes, we can have the waiting mindset with enthusiasm.